Flovent is the most common medication used to treat asthma, but starting January 1st, those who rely on this medication will have to find the next best alternative. 23 News reporter Anthony Ferretti talks with a resident pharmacist about what this means for local patients and what they can do now to avoid problems once this goes into effect.
The current stock of Flovent will remain on the shelves of local pharmacies until it runs out. But when it does run out, manufacturer GSK says it will have an authorized generic version called fluticasone to take its place.
Pharmacies are currently backed up, but we will be working through this, and it is unfortunate timing.
In just a matter of days, manufacturer GSK will discontinue production of Flovent because the company will now lose money when it sells to Medicaid. A resident pharmacist at UW Health Swede says they are preparing for the impact on their patients.
Just because Flovent is discontinuing, it doesn't mean the medication is gone forever.
GSK will now make fluticasone, which is a generic brand medication with the same active ingredient as Flovent, but it's not as widely covered by insurance providers.
I used to be on Flovent, and I asked my provider, is it okay if you can write a prescription for other medications that are similar, just so I can fill the medication that my insurance does cover.
It's been pretty much our go-to inhaled corticosteroid for a long time for children. We have lots of patients who, for one reason or another, take the generic fluticasone.
Although manufacturers don't anticipate a shortage of fluticasone, health experts like Salam and Fernando urge those impacted by the switch to be proactive, especially since we are in the respiratory virus season.
We know that patients with asthma, children, adults, anybody, are at higher risk for complications from respiratory illnesses. We want to make sure that we keep everybody safe and healthy throughout this winter.
Data from the CDC shows that more than 850,000 adults and more than 200,000 children had asthma in Illinois in 2021.
Thank you, Anthony. UW Health Swedes Pharmacy says it has the generic medication on the shelves at the moment, and they've ordered more to prepare for the new year.